So again, we want to find the equivalence resistance of the series circuit. We want to find the value of unknown resistance in each of the cases below. Part A, 22 ohm, 18 ohm, and an unknown resistor is connected in series to give an equivalence resistance of 64. So since we have a series circuit, R1 plus R2 plus R3 is going to give us RS. So it means that 22 plus 18 plus R3 is going to be equal to 64. So R3 equals to 64 minus 18 minus 22. So it will be equal to 24 ohm. So the third one is going to be 24 ohm. B, two identical unknown bulbs are connected in series with a 48 ohm and a 64 heater to produce an equivalence resistance of 150. So it's going to be 150 minus 48 and 64. So it is going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to 19 ohm. And part C, each light in series string of 24 identical bulbs has an equivalent resistance of 48. So what is the resistance of each bulb? So basically it's going to be 48 divided by 24, which is going to be 2 ohm.